In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ChatGPT conversation. If you want to clean up your chat history, remove an old thread, or simply keep your sidebar organized, this process is quick and easy. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can delete a conversation with confidence. To begin, open ChatGPT and look over to the sidebar, where your previous conversations are listed. From there, find the conversation you want to delete and select it. This is an important first step because it helps make sure you're working with the correct chat before removing anything. If you have a lot of saved conversations, take a second to double check the title so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. Once you've located the conversation, look for the three-dot menu associated with that chat. This menu is where ChatGPT keeps additional actions for managing a conversation. Go ahead and click on the three dots to open the available options. If you don't see it right away, you may need to hover your mouse over the conversation in the sidebar for the menu to appear. After the menu opens, click on Delete. This tells ChatGPT that you want to remove that conversation from your history. At this stage, it's still a good idea to pause briefly and make sure you've chosen the correct chat, especially if the conversation contains information you may want to reference later. Deleting a thread is useful for reducing clutter, but you'll want to be certain before you move forward. Next, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete again to confirm. This final step completes the process and removes the selected conversation from your chat list. And that's it. Once confirmed, the conversation will no longer appear in your sidebar. This is a simple way to keep your ChatGPT workspace tidy and focused, especially if you regularly start new chats and want to remove older ones you no longer need. If you're managing several conversations, you can repeat the same process for each one you want to remove. Just remember to carefully select the correct chat each time before confirming deletion. That's how to delete a ChatGPT conversation.